Now let's start creating a line. So right here you get line segment tool. The short key for the line tool is backslash. Just click on it and you can see there are multiple options, but we're just going to use this one. Just click on it and you can see right here you get a blue line already showing up. And we can use the line by simply clicking on it, clicking the start point on your artboard and then dragging the mouse up, down, left or right to create your line. Remember to hold shift to create perfectly lines. So which means in perfect angles. To release it, I'm just going to change the stroke to black and increase the stroke to 30, and now you can see we got a beautiful line. Now I'm just going to center this line, and now I might want to change the line. So let's zoom in, and we got right here an option called stroke. You can see all kinds of options. So let's zoom in right here to the beginning of this line, and you can see it's kind of a square line, start of the line. And let's say we want it to be round. First select the line, then go to stroke, and then go to cap. You see caps right there. Let's go with round cap. There's also an option called protecting cap, which is extending the currently length of the line a little bit more. In this case I prefer round cap, so I'm just going to click round cap, and then let's say we want dash line. So as you can see right here, you got a checkbox right there. I'm going to click on it, and there we got dash line. And as you can see right now, this is very close to each other. I'm just going to increase the distance between the lines. I'm going to click again, 20. No, that's not good enough, so I'm just going with a little bit more, and now you can see the distance between the lines is set correctly. And as you can see, we got a dashed line right here.